Because of COVID, I had delayed my mammogram. A good friend reminded me to get my mammogram because her sister had waited during COVID and had also got a positive diagnosis. So I put it at the top of the list, had the mammograms in September and got the official diagnosis on October 1st. And then were introduced to Dr. Beth Anglin and then had the surgery and then started the treatment.
It definitely can happen that a short amount of delay, a cancer will appear. It's not that it popped up in that 6 months, but just now is finally easier to see.
No symptoms at all. In fact, the first question I asked the radiologist was, is this something I could have found on my own? But it wasn't.
We have an interesting family story. My previous wife had pancreatic cancer, lost her. I personally survived renal cancer. So we got the news Kathy had cancer. It was a bit shocking.
It's kind of one of those things that you think might not ever happen to you. One of the things that I loved about here was the night nurse, because it was overnight, and how often she checked in on me, making sure I was comfortable. Just a little bit of touching base with me a lot during the night that really kept me positive. I wasn't sad, I wasn't scared. And it made such an impression. It was the first thing I told my husband, who said, well, we need to do something because to recognize everyone here that helped me get through that first night.
So my family created a foundation. And when I saw what happened here and wanted to give back, first thing we did was call a quick family meeting and say, I've had this idea. All the kids approved it, so to speak, and off we go with a donation.
This is a tough time to be in healthcare, and that phone call really made my week, month, year, to hear kind of just how great the experience was, plus the generosity of the family to give back to Medical City Healthcare and our colleagues and to help people that need it. That's what we do.
I wanted to also extend my deepest thanks to the Webbs for their incredibly generous donation to the Medical City Foundation to recognize and honor the CURE team.
Don't change what you're doing. The smiles, the positivity, you can tell they're here for the right reasons. I felt it.